Hello friends, welcome back. In this sixth tutorial we are going to discuss about some more formulas. So today's formulas have count blank, count a, countif and countifs. Maybe this video become very long, but our main focus is to understand why we have to use these formulas and where it's helpful for us. So if I talk about count blank, so it is very easy formula, it's not difficult. So for example, if you have a number of entries and it is not be means it is not filled properly. Let us some of the rows are blank and you are able to find out a count how many rows you are using and a number of entries you have to find out. So in that condition we are use count blank. So find out how many blanks rows we are using. So its opposite formula is count A here. Count A are able to count just filled entries or filled values, filled cells. Is not able to calculate your blank. So here we are going to use this. So I cleared some of the rows here. I cleared our fourth and second row. Let us suppose I am not able to find out at how many rows in my sheet contain. I have tried to find out how many blank my cells I have in this sheet. So I use count blank here and give the range. So my range, let us suppose I can use this range or B range and C column range or D wherever you want. So I use it here. So it's from B2 to B6. So I can use B2, then range operator, then B6. So it's your choice that how you can use it. I also show you the second method that after count black, after the bracket of starting bracket of your function, you can drag it where from you want. I want my range from here to there, so I use it. I close my bracket here. I got 2. So I had 2 blank spaces in my sheet. So how I able to use it? Count A. So what is count A? Count A able to find out number of filled entries from your range or number of filled cells from your range. So it is very easy. I use count A. I start my bracket. You can use anything. You can use numeric, alphanumeric, or whatever value you are written here. It doesn't matter. You just choose your cells, choose your range. So I choose my range here. I close it. I entered it. So I have 3 values. So right now I have 3 values. So I can see on my sheet is just 3. If I wrote something here, I write it here. So it shows 4. So you are able to understand what I am talking about. You're able to find out your filled cells value and count it. I clear it again. So 3. So what is countif? Why we have to use countif? Let us suppose I want to find out those people whose salary is more than 8,000. I have 100 and 2,000 or 3,000 employees. It is a very tedious job for me to find out. How we are able to find out this? It is very easy to find out by using countif. So we use countif like if we find out the people who belongs to which district or county or which state. So here we can use it. We can use it to count the number of people whose salary is more than 8,000 or many more. So we can include many more things here. So let us suppose I am able to add some more column here. So let us suppose I want to add my one column here. Add one column here. So I right clicked here. I can insert it, or I can use insert here. So I am able to use here district. So I use let us suppose I can use state here. State is better. So my state Roger GMCs belong to Kerala or Karnataka. This village belong to Punjab and Seychelles belong to J and K. Let us suppose. So here I want to find out that how many people belong to Karnataka state or belong to Punjab state. So okay, find out. Count if bracket close. First you have to use the range where you try to find out your uh, total number of people belong to particular criteria, particular condition. Let us suppose our condition is Karnataka. So I want to find out total number of employees belongs to Karnataka state. So that is our criteria. And what is our range? From C2 to C6, comma, separator. Then we are going to use our conditions or criteria. I want to use Karnataka. So Karnataka, I close this. So I want to find out total number of employees who belong to Karnataka state. So it shows 0. Why it shows 0? Because I wrote wrong name here. So I unable to use A here. I didn't use A. I didn't type A here. So that's why I'm unable to get the right value. So 1. Let us suppose I dragged a copy this value. I paste it here. So it's become 2. So right now it become 3. So this way we can use it. Okay. Or Countif want to that how many employees who's getting more than 6,000 salary, more than 6,000, greater than 6,000, not including 6,000, above the 6,000. So I got the range here D2 to D6. Okay, comma. Then I use double quotes here. So what is our criteria? Greater than 6,000. It's easy to find. So how many? 2. Let us suppose it's also 9,000. Then 3. So we are able to use 3 here. So if we didn't have any, is just 6,000, is just 5,000, then 1. So it automatically change according to our cells value. So we are able to find out why we use countif. Sometimes it happens when our conditions include more, means whenever we need to sort more values. Let us suppose I am able to find out those employees who belong to my J&K state and as well as salary greater than 5,000. Maybe those employees who belong to particular state as well as some particular range of the salary and also belong to particular category. So then what? Here our value is dependent upon 3 conditions or 3 criteria. Count is only used in single condition where you are able to find out single, where you are able to find out just single, find out just value which depend upon single column or single condition. If it's become multiple, then you have to use count ifs. More than 1, you have to use count ifs. So I include one more here. Insert category cat. So I use ALC, actual line of control, OBC. Let us suppose again OBC. Okay, we shouldn't use ALC here. Okay, so I want to find out that particular employees whose salary more than 8,000 as well as belong to ALC category as well as GNK. So we can see here according to our sheet this value belongs this. So the employer belong to GNK state as well as ALC category as well as 8,000. If one of the value is not appropriate according to our condition, then it will return 0. So let's find out. Count ifs. First your range. state range, you can use first this or first this, doesn't matter. We want to find out J and K, as well as it's belong to what? Belong to ALC. Double quotes, comma, separator and comma. Then third, range greater than, with double quotes, greater than 8,000. Okay, we close it here and read. It shows 0 because we use greater than. If we use equal to, greater than and equal to, including 8,000 also and above the 8,000 values, so it shows 1. If it is belong to OBC, then what will happen? It will become 0. Let's suppose it's belong to ALC, but we will change our state HP Himachal Pradesh will show 0. So every conditions exclusively will be right, then it will show you some value. If one of the cells value changes, it will change the result. Got it? Okay. So let us suppose these people also belong to JNK state, and this, so I copy it here, I paste it here, and it shows 2. It automatically change. So it will change. So right now we have a 3 employee whose salary greater than or equal to 8,000, as well as ALC as well as JNK. But if I change one of them, it will not include it. So these and these will be equivalent to our condition, then we are able to find out. If we are not able to find out the people who belong to JNK as well as ALC as well as greater than or equal to 8,000, then we are not able to get the right value. So I hope you are able to understand what I am talking about, and maybe it's like this for more enjoyable for you. So use these 4 count black, count a, countif and countifs. It will help you in your work job. So thanks for watching this, and we will see you in next tutorial. Bye bye.